Name is Ayman Mubashir. Today I will show you how to make a bird shooting game in Scratch. So basically, a bird shooting game is a game where you have a gun and you must shoot birds to win and score points. Okay, so let's start making. First of all, as you can see, it's sprite 1. Let's just delete this. Now, first of all, let's go here and choose a backdrop. Now we'll choose the blue sky. Okay, now let's go to backdrops. Yes, backdrops. Now go here, click the right side of your mouse and click on duplicate. Okay, now click on text and click on the fill. Select it to be red. Okay, not too much dark red. Now write GAME space OVER, game over. Now click on the mouse and make this bigger and center this thing just like so. Now let's go to the code. Now let's go. When the flag is clicked, let's just make it a little bigger so it's easy to see. So as I was saying, when the green flag is clicked, let's go to looks, then switch backdrop to click on the blue sky number 2 and use the blue sky. So let's click this. As you can see, it shows this thing. Okay, now let's make the gun. So let's go here and paint. Okay, which looks like a paintbrush. Now let's click this. As you can see, we're here in the costumes. Okay, click on the magnifying glass that shows the positive sign. Now click on the circle and select the fill to be dark red. I mean not dark, full red. Now draw a circle and hold down the shift key like so. And now remember to center it. Now click on the outline and click on this thing which looks like an eyedropper and click this. Okay, now click on mouse and select this. Okay, now set the outline to be something like 6. Okay, now let's go to our fill and select the fill to be a line which is basically blank, just like so. Now let's click on the line and draw a straight line. Use the shift key to do it. Now let's draw another one making a grid and obviously hold the shift key. Okay, now let's go inside the code. Okay, now let's go to the events and drag it when this flag, when the green flag is clicked. Obviously, let's go to controls and drag it forever so it repeats on forever. Okay, then let's go to motion and when the flag is clicked forever, go to. Okay, now instead of using the random position, click on random position and choose the mouse pointer. Now let's see, click on the green flag. As you can see, it's basically following my mouse. It will never leave my mouse. Okay, now just stop it. Okay, now let's go to controls again and drag an if then block. Okay, an if then block. Now let's go to sensing and do a mouse down. Yeah, a mouse down. Now let's go to sound and play sound pop until done. Now let's see. Are you kidding me, man? This pop sound is so lame, right? Click on the sounds which is right on the very top. Okay, now choose a sound, click on the magnifying glass or just click on the sound. Now search, we'll search CRUNCH, crunch. Click on this. Okay, now let's go back to the code. Okay, now play sound, click on pop and choose the crunch until done. Now let's see. So nice, right guys? And now let's choose a sprite. Just click on this cat thing. Okay, search CAT. Oh no, sorry, not cat. Search bird BIRD and select the parrot sprite. As you can see, it's too big, so click on the size, which is right here, and select the size to be something like 70. Yeah, this size will do for do just about lovely fine for you. Okay, now let's go to events. Drag when the green flag is clicked. Let's go to variables. We'll make 3 new variables. Yes, three. Click on make a variable, okay, and write score. Now click OK. Another variable, call this MISSED space SHOTA. This missed shots with a space, obviously. Now click on A. I mean OK instead of A. Sorry. Now make the last variable and call this SPEED. Click OK. So that's all the variable we'll need for this video. Now when the flag is clicked, set my missed shots to 0, set the missed shots to 0, and set missed shots to 0. Okay, now instead of setting missed shots to 0 in the second one, click on missed shots and select score, and in the third one click on missed shots and do speed. Okay, set the speed to be something like 8. Okay, now let's go to controls. Okay, yes sir, controls. Drag it forever so it repeats on forever. Now let's go to motion. Okay, then move 10 steps. Let's do that again. Instead of 10, let's go to my variables and drag speed steps. Now let's see. Yeah, it's doing pretty fine, but I just want let's just set this here. Click this and set this here, just like so. Now as you can see, it's going there, but I just want that it will start from the edge screen and it will go, I mean, it will be in a random position. It will sometimes start on the top, sometimes in the bottom, just like so. Okay, so let's do it. When the green flag is clicked, let's go to motions, and guys, remember not to mix this up. Okay, now go to random position, put this here. Okay, now let's do go to XY. Okay, right, go to X, right, negative 240. Okay, and let's go to the operators and drag a pick random 1 to 10 and put this in the Y position. Okay, and instead of 1, write 170 or 170 for short, and let's do to negative 170. So it should be pick random 170 to negative 170. Now let's see. You can see it sometimes starts here, sometimes here, sometimes here, sometimes here. It's just, randomness. Okay, randomness. Now next thing. I will just do 2 more things. Let's go to motions again. Now let's point in direction 90, obviously, plus the next last thing will be, let's go to the down. When you see these 4 options, select set rotation style and click on the left, right, and don't rotate, so it won't rotate, it would just be like so. As you can see, the code should work pretty fine. Okay, now next thing, I want that it will do a little animation as it will flap its wings. Okay, now to do that, let's go to the events. Now drag it when the green flag is clicked. Okay, let's go to controls, drag it forever so it will repeat on forever. Now let's drag a wait 1 seconds block and change the wait 1 seconds block to a 0.5 seconds. Okay, 0.5 seconds, so it's exactly half a second. Now let's go to looks. Yes, looks. Okay, and drag a next costume, put this above, not below. Now let's see. let's see, as you can see, it does a little animation just like so. Okay, now as you can see, our gun is just going above it. I want that it will go below our bird sprite, so just click on our sprite number 1. Okay, when the green flag is clicked, let's go to our sounds and go a little up into the looks. As you can see, there is an option that says go to front layer. Put this here, okay, and click on front and do back layer. So let's see, it should be on the back layer just like so. Now next thing is that I want that when it will go here, which is on the other edge of the screen, it will go back here. Okay, so to do that, let's again go to events, again drag it when the flag is clicked. Let's go to controls, again drag it forever block, so it will always repeat. Okay, now let's do an if then block, which is right below, and put this here, not above. Okay, now forever if then. Okay, let's go to operators and drag this block which shows a greater than, I think so. Yeah, I'm back. So I think it's called a greater than, but you can say it's lesser than, greater than, you wish. Okay, now let's go to motions and go on the very bottom. When there is 3 options, just choose the X position. Okay, and make a little space. Okay, so if the X position is greater than right, positive 240. Don't make this negative, because we literally made this negative here. Okay, now if the X position is greater than positive 240, okay, then let's go to XY here, and in the X let's write negative 240, and let's go to operators once again, drag a pick random 1 to 10 once again, write negative 1, write negative 170 here, and then write 170 right here. Okay, now let's just try this out. Smooth as butter. Okay, I will say it is smoother than butter, man. Now moving on to bigger things, which is I think the last bit. Okay, let's go to events and do when we pow the bird, or just shoot the bird. Okay, so let's do when this sprite is clicked. Okay, when this sprite is clicked, exactly. So when this sprite is clicked, let's go to motions. Okay, then we will set rotation style. Let's go here where you can see 4 options again. Then when the sprite is clicked, set our rotation style to left right. Instead of left right, click on left right and do all around, so it will rotate all around like crazy. Okay, now let's do point in direction, put this above. Okay, so it's above, point in direction 180. Okay, let's try this out. Wow, so nice, right? Now let's go here. Okay, place your mouse here and click the right side of your mouse. Now click on duplicate. Okay, now as you can see, it's a copy. Put this here. Okay, let's go here and then go to this thing. Okay, let's see. Yikes, working not very fine, right? Yeah, looks like we can do this a bit later. So sorry, do this a bit later. I mean, actually we don't need this. Okay, we actually don't need this for when the sprite is clicked. Okay, so after going down, let's go to sounds. Okay, and at the very top, start the sound bird. So let's try this out. Just like so. And now the last bit. Put this here, okay? Now let's do this. Okay, so go here in this if then block, click on the right side of your mouse and click on duplicate, which is the very first option. Okay, now place this somewhere here. Okay, now let's put this after this. Okay, so there is a little gap. Okay, now instead of X position, delete the X position. Okay, let's go to motions. Okay, and now instead of an X position, grab a Y position. Okay, now write negative 220. Okay, I please don't be mad because I'm just saying okay. Right, and negative 200. Then we'll again go back here. Okay, let's give this a sorry. Looks like our code got wrong. Drag this here. Drag this out. Delete this thing. Let's go to operators again and drag this thing. Put this here and write something like negative 220. Hopefully that will work. Oh, yeah. That did work. Okay. Now, let me just show you a quick magic trick, okay? Go in somewhere a blank space, okay? Click on the right side of your mouse. Then click on undo. Again, 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 undo. As you can see, it just went back from where it started. Okay, and now I think I will just do an exposition. So put this here. I think we might use it later. Okay, now go here, click on the right side of your mouse and click on duplicate. Put this here. Okay, hopefully that must work. Yeah, not hopefully. I'll just delete exposition and put this back. Why isn't it working? Let's do something like negative 200. Please God, let it work. Yeah, looks like it did work. Yikes. Okay, stop. Let's just do this. I think if this method isn't working, I have another method. Okay, let's go to motions and do glide. Okay, glide 1 second to the very bottom. Okay, which is which is let's just separate these two, which is, let's put this somewhere here. Yeah, which is, as you can see, negative no, not X, just don't do the X, which is negative 200. Okay, and here on seconds to X, let's go to the very bottom and drag a X position. Okay, now let's put this back up. Alright, let's just disable this code. Okay, now let's just try this out. Yeah, okay, it did work, right? I mean, it did work pretty fine, right? Now, after gliding 1 second to these positions, okay, then we can finally do this. Okay, go here, as I told you earlier, go here and click on the right side of your mouse, click duplicate as always, then go here. Hopefully this will work. Missed one. Missed. Oh, yeah. Nah. If this isn't working, let's try a different approach. Let's go to events. Broadcast message number one. Now, let's do one receive message number one. Hopefully, this will work. Nah, I do really want that it will work. Oh, I forgot. Let's go here, okay? Now, this might be a little confusing. Please don't get confused. Go here. When we first started working our codes on, go to random position, click on the right side, duplicate everything, okay? Yeah, undo. Let's do that again. Put this somewhere here. Put this even more. Then delete. Then just delete this bit. Delete this bit, and put this thing here. Fine. Finally. Nope. Sorry. When I receive, okay. Do when I receive, and you can just delete this. Hopefully that will work. Let's just zoom in. Oh no. Yeah, it didn't work because we are not even broadcasting message. So let's just broadcast our message number one. Please God, let it work. Wow! As you can see, guys, it is working smooth as butter, right? Now, one last thing I want to show you is that let's go to sounds, okay? Now, we can choose a sound. Search video. Yes, select this first one, okay? Now let's go back inside coding. Let's go to events, and yeah, when the flag is clicked, let's go to forever control, and drag a forever block. Let's go to sounds and start video game number one until done. Let's see. It's working just fine. Just a little bit more, okay? Yeah, a little bit of more is that. Let's go. Where was that? When it went here, where did I set that? Oh crap! Looks like I have a weak memory. Where did I literally put that? Let's just make this smaller so that I can see everything. Let's see. No. I think think I found this. Let's just make this bigger. It's here, I guess. I don't remember, but I think that this one's pretty it. Okay, so here, okay. After going to here, I mean, yeah, in the random position, let's go to the variables, okay. Then change missed shots by 1, okay. Now just this last, when the green flag is clicked, okay, let's go to controls, drag a forever so it repeats on forever, okay. Let's do an if then block, go to operators, do an equals then instead of lesser or greater than, okay. Now let's go to variables and drag the missed shots, okay. So if the missed shots equals to 3, let's go to looks. Then we can switch backdrop to blue sky number 2, which is our game over, and go to controls. Then stop all, which is basically everything. Maybe I just want to add a little something a bit more. Oh yeah. Okay, when the flag is clicked, forever move speed steps. Nah, we can just do it somewhere else. Last forever block from the controls category. Let's go to events, do when the flag is clicked, when the flag is clicked, green flag is clicked, sorry, forever, let's go to variables and do change. Let's click on missed shots and do the speed. Okay, change speeds by 0.2. That's it. Let's do a testing. Please stop. Oof. Man, that wasn't nice at all. Okay, so something like wait. Wait 1 second. Hopefully that will make it a bit slower. And yeah, when the green flag is clicked, I hope it. Yeah, let's see. No, I just don't want that. Let's oh yes, when this sprite is clicked, so sorry, let's go to variables, then we can change our missed shots by 1. Put this very above, and let's just delete that. One more thing is that even if we miss, let's go here, even if we miss, we will change our speed by 0.2. Let's go here and change speed, okay, by 0.2. And yeah, hopefully that's it. Let's just give it one more test. I want to let it just run on its own. Yeah, so guys, and that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Guys, please guys, subscribe to my channel, cause I'm only around at 7 subscribers. Guys, I really want more subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, for my first 50 subscribers, I will answer some of your questions which you ask me, and I will do a Q&A videos where I answer some of the questions face to face. So guys, that's all I wanted to show in this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and that's it.